Welcome back to Sports Betting Truth, and today we're going to talk about Excel Visual Basic Macros. In just 38 minutes, I'm going to teach you 90% of Excel Visual Basic Macros, and by that I mean 90% of what I do in Excel VBA is contained in this video. It's not 90% of every single thing that Excel VBA macros have to offer, but 90% of what you do is going to be a reiteration of all the concepts I'm about to teach you right here in this video. So stay tuned, it's going to be very important, and in just 38 minutes you can go from having no Excel macro knowledge at all to having knowledge of 90% of the bulk of everything that Excel Visual Basic Macros have to offer. So the first thing you want to do, if you haven't done this before, is you want to enable the developer ribbon, and it's not always enabled. So to do that, if it's not there, just go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then make sure Developer is checked. And that will enable the developer ribbon to give you access to macros. So the file I have right now has 3 different sheets on it, 3 different tabs: Dennis, Travis, and Sherwood. And we are about to make our first macro, so let's go ahead and get this started. So we're going to do our first macro. So there's 2 ways we can do this. So click on this Visual Basic button right here, and we're going to create our first macro. And all macros start with sub, right? Sub is pretty much the beginning of a macro, and we're going to call this our first macro. And the end sub automatically populates. So we're going to do message box, you ran your first macro, exclamation mark, right? And that's all we're going to do. So go over here and click on macros and click on our first macro and hit run. And there we go. We just ran our first macro. Congratulations, you've just done more than most people have done. And so click OK. And there's another thing we can do. We can assign this to a button. So click this button right here, and then just click our first macro and hit OK. So every time you click this button, our macro will run. So that's how you can assign your macros to buttons. Very helpful. Congratulations, you have run your first macro.